Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pizza chicken wings. Alright, so whatever barbecue you're using, we want to be setting it up for some high indirect heat. We're using our Oklahoma Joe's Blackjack kettle. We'll start by taking our cooking grate off. We'll get some firelighters going. And then we want to fill our charcoal chimney up with enough lump charcoal or briquettes to fill up one charcoal basket. Then we'll wait until they're red hot, ashed over and ready to go, which will take about 10 minutes. All right, now we're going to get these wings seasoned up. You can either use whole wings or we're just using the drums and the flats today. I recommend using a rub that's heavy on the garlic. We're going to be using our garlic gulls today. Anything that's going to complement that pizza flavor, definitely go ahead and use. So we're just going to go ahead and give these little wings a generous coat in our garlic gulls. I'll put links down in the description for everything we're using today. We sell this garlic gulls on its own, or we sell it in a bundle with our other rubs as well. We can also ship our rubs internationally. Just message Natural Smoke through the link I'll put down in the description and they can make it happen. All right, so now our wings are seasoned up. We'll come back once this charcoal's ready. All right, so these briquettes are pretty much ready. So what we can do is take our charcoal chimney out. We'll get a charcoal basket in and then we'll fill it up with our briquettes. Then we'll shut our lid, make sure both our top and bottom vents are open, and we'll give our barbecue 5 minutes to preheat. All right, so we are ready to get these wings on. I'm just going to put a beautiful little chunk of pecan wood from Natural Smoke on. I'm going to lay down a drip tray because it's going to get a little bit messy later. Then we'll get our cooking grate back on, and then our wings. We'll shut our lid and let these smoke away. All right, so we're going to be smoking these wings hot and fast at around the 450 Fahrenheit or 230 Celsius range. Both vents are going to stay wide open for this cook, and we're going to take our chicken wings until we've got that nice crispy skin and they're cooked through. Now, don't stress about taking your wings off as soon as they hit that safe eating temperature of that 165 Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. I'll always favor that crispy skin, and wings can go right up to around that 190 Fahrenheit or 90-ish degrees Celsius internal, and they'll still be nice and juicy. So we'll let our wings go now and we'll come back to check on them once they've had about half an hour to 45 minutes in the barbecue. All right, so it's been about 40 minutes. These wings are done. They're nice, crispy and cooked through. Now we're going to turn them into pizza wings. So we're going to get started by brushing on some pizza sauce. That's going to help our cheese stick, which is what we're going to put on next. Then we're just going to close our lid for a minute to let that cheese melt. All right, and now that cheese has melted enough for our next toppings to stick, we'll keep going. I've just got some finely diced pepperoni and ham we'll layer on. Now honestly, you can put any of your own favourite pizza toppings on. I know the next one is going to divide some of yous. I'm going to put some finely chopped pineapple on. I'll only put that on half the wings, then I'm just going to top it off with some dried oregano leaves. Then we'll give them 3 or 4 minutes and they'll be ready. Alright, it's been a few minutes. Let's have a look. Alright, they're looking tasty. Let's get them out and try them. They are super tasty. Definitely give them a try. Get creative, use your own favourite pizza toppings and enjoy. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. But for now, that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.